Welcome to our accessible one-bedroom cottage, High Tide, designed with your comfort and relaxation in mind. Whether you're seeking a peaceful getaway or a romantic retreat, this cottage offers everything you would need for a memorable stay. Let's step inside to discover a thoughtfully designed space that combines accessibility with luxury. The cottage features wide doorways, grab bars, and a spacious layout, ensuring ease of movement for all guests. The fully equipped kitchen includes accessible countertops, modern appliances, and a dining area where you can enjoy home-cooked meals with a view of the surrounding nature. The accessible bathroom features a roll-in shower with a drop-down seat, grab bars, adjustable shower head, as well as a roll-under sink, providing both safety and comfort. The bedroom is furnished with a comfortable queen bed, featuring premium linens, offering a peaceful sanctuary for a restful night's sleep. There's also a closet, a bureau, and some nightstands for your other belongings. The living area has vaulted ceilings with skylights, making it bright and airy. Unwind on the plush sofa, which is also a sofa bed, or enjoy entertainment with the flat-screen TV, satellite television, and complimentary Wi-Fi. The spacious deck is equipped with comfortable seating and a barbecue for outdoor grilling. One of the highlights of this cottage is its private hot tub, where you can soak away your cares while surrounded by the tranquility of nature. Set against a backdrop of serene greenery, our cottage offers a peaceful escape from the hustle and bustle of daily life. Take in the sights and sounds of nature, with opportunities for birdwatching and scenic walks right outside your door. Book your stay today and discover the magic of Burntcoat Head Park. Visit www.shangrilacottages.com for more information.